Hello friends. So in this video we'll discuss how to show that the plane is tangent plane to the sphere and how to find out the point of contact. So example is show that the plane 4x minus 3y plus 6z minus 35 equal to 0 is tangential to the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus y minus 2z minus 14 equal to 0 and find the point of contact. Now we know that to show that the plane is tangent plane, we have to show that the perpendicular distance, what we have to show that perpendicular distance if it is equal to the radius of the sphere. If the perpendicular distance is equal to radius of the sphere, then the given plane is what? Tangent plane. Now we have equation of sphere and compare with the general equation. So what is the general equation? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So compare this equation with the general equation. So what we have? 2u equal to 0 because here there is no coefficient for x. Now 2v equal to what? 2v equal to minus 1. 2w equal to what? Here minus 2. 2w equal to what? Minus 2. So what? U equal to what? 0. V equal to minus 1 by 2 and W equal to what? Minus 1. So we know that center is what? Minus U, minus V and minus W. So here center is what? 0, 1 by 2 and 1. So center of the sphere is what? 0, 1 by 2 and 1. Now what is the radius of the sphere? So radius is what? Under root U square plus V square plus W square minus D. So putting the value of u, v, w in this, so 0 square plus 1 by 2 square, which is 1 by 4 plus 1 and minus d. So minus d is nothing but here in this example that value of minus d, here d is what? Minus 14. So minus minus that become plus 14. So on solving this, so 14 4s are 56 plus this 4 is what? 60 and this one is what? Under root 61 upon 4, which is nothing but under root 61 upon 2 unit, that is nothing but the radius. So radius is what? Under root 61 upon 2. Now let us check what is the perpendicular distance CP. So perpendicular distance CP formula is what? AX1 plus BY1 plus CZ1 plus D upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, right? Where this A, B, C, this is nothing but the DRS of that plane. Now, what is the equation of plane? Equation of plane is 4x minus 3y plus 6z minus 35. So, A is equal to 4. A is equal to what? 4. Now, x1, y1, z1. So, this center of the sphere, this is nothing but x1, y1 and z1. Now, here 4 into what? 0 because x1 is here a 0. Now plus b. B is what? Here it is minus 3. So which is here I am taking minus 3 into what? That y1 is 1 by 2. Then next is what? Plus that c. That c is what? 6. 6 into this z1 is what? 1. 6 into 1 and d. Now here this d is what? This d. So minus d, which is minus 35, d is 35 minus 35 upon a square plus b square plus c square. So it is 16 plus c square is 9 and which is 36. So on solving this 4 into 0 0, this is 3 by 2, this is 6 and this is minus 35 and the value it is nothing but under root, this is 61 and in the numerator it is minus 61 by 2, which is nothing but under root 61 upon 2. So here the perpendicular distance CP is what? Under root 61 upon 2 and this the radius is 61 upon 2. Therefore, this given plane is nothing but the tangent plane to this sphere. Perpendicular distance 61 upon 2 and radius is 2. So therefore, the plane is what? Tangent plane. Now next, how to find the point of contact. Now to find point of contact, point of contact. So to find out point of contact, we have to consider the equation of line in symmetrical form. What we have to consider? Equation of that line CP. Equation of line CP that passing through that 0, 1 by 2 and 1. So equation of CP passing through this point and having DRS. So direction ratios of this perpendicular CP. So equation of plane is what? 4x minus 3y plus 6z minus 35 equal to 0. So this 4, this minus 3, this 6, that is nothing but the direction ratios for the plane, and whatever the direction ratios of the plane, the same direction ratios for the perpendicular to that plane. So CP is the perpendicular. So the direction ratios of line CP is nothing but 4, minus 3 and 6. So consider equation of line in symmetrical form. Equation of line in symmetrical form. So what is the equation of line in symmetrical form? So formula is equation of line in symmetrical form. Formula is that x minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c equal to, suppose you can consider it as k. So x minus x1, x1, y1, z1, that is nothing but the center, 0, 1 by 2 center of the sphere that acts as x1, y1, z1. A, B, C is nothing but the DRS. So x minus 0 upon DRS, that is 4, y minus 1 by 2 upon minus 3, and z minus z1 is what? 1 upon that c is what? 6 equal to k. So what we have? X equal to 4k, then y equal to minus 3k plus 1 by 2, and z equal to that 6k plus 1. Now x, y, z, these points lies on plane, right? These points lies on plane as well as sphere. So these points satisfying the equation of what? Equation of plane. So put this value in the equation of plane. So what is the equation of plane? That 4x minus 3y plus 6z minus 35 equal to 0. Since this x, y, z lies on the plane, so you can put x is equal to what? 4k, then y is equal to minus 3k plus 1 by 2, and z equal to 6k plus 1 minus 35. So solving for k, so what you have after solving for k? That 16k, then minus plus 9k minus 3 by 2 plus 36k plus that 6 minus 35 equal to 0. So you will get k equal to 1 by 2. After solving this, you will get k equal to 1 by 2. So k equal to 1 by 2. So what is the value of x? 4 by 2. That means x is 2. Y is equal to, this is equal to minus 1. If you are putting here minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but minus 1. And if you are putting that k equal to 1 by 2 here, which is nothing but 4. So the point of contact is nothing but 2 minus 1 comma 4. So to find out the point of contact in tangent plane, you have to use the equation of line in symmetrical form, that is x minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c. This x1, y1, z1, it is nothing but the center of the sphere. This a, b, c, that is nothing but the DRS, and this CP line is perpendicular to the plane. Therefore, whatever the DRS of the plane, that is the same DRS of the line CP. So a, b, c, we have here 4 minus 6. So you'll get x, y, z in terms of k. Now this point x, y, z lie on the plane as well as sphere. So either you can put in the sphere, but for our simplification, you can put in the equation of plane and find out the value of k. And by putting value of k, you will get the value of x, y, z. Thank you.